sir. Give me the opportunity to.
पास में रखिएगा सर.
Good morning all.
Good morning.
Okay. So, as per our technical feeling that art is our shelter where we are building our relationship with our excellence, agility, reliability, teamwork, and honesty, which is our core value to enjoy on our journey in art. So that is our thinking about the art value. So that's all, sir, for our.
Pass it on, sir. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. See, according to me, art is a very big word. So basically, what I need to say in a very short manner, that art is a place where we have happiness, sadness, challenges, learning, motivation, empowerment, success, value of people, appreciation to do something better. Like a family, in a professional life, as well as personal life. Thank you.
In addition to that, sir, I know that the sequences I have to give to them, but shall I add something?
Please, sir. Please.
Thank you for giving me the opportunity. I mean, according to me, the Earth is a planet where we live, and of course, there is no planet we like Earth as of now. So I would like to relate with this planet with my close belongings to whom I am dependent and those who are depends on me. For my personal life, it is my family. For my professional life, it is my job, which has been allotted to me by the organization with their trust. And finally, the 5 Pinnacle core values, which teach me every day all aspects of art in my professional life.
Good.
Thank you. Good morning. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. So, we have written our definition about the art. So, this is only planet in the universe where the intelligent and smart people are living. And Pinnacle make humans smarter for the future by using their core values, which is excellence, agility, reliability, teamwork, and honesty. Thank you.